What is your favorite non-vegetarian with dosa? Welcome to another session with your Washef, and today I'm going to make chicken korma. Whatever occasion it is, even for during Ramadan time in South India, they make variety of preparations. And this chicken with coconut, I'm telling you, is just amazing. Because every day, especially people like me who eat meat every day, we want variety. And try this one. I'm making it with country chicken. And for this gravy, here I'm going to add some oil in a pan. In this, we're going to add some poppy seed. See, poppy seed to grind in a normal blender is a little bit difficult because it is a little bit coarse. Another way you can do is slightly let this poppy seed pop in the oil, then we will be able to blend it easily in the grinder. In a nice kurma gravy like this, if we add a little bit of fennel, this will give great flavor. Once you get that nice aroma, add small pieces of coconut and fried chana dal. We also call it fool ka dal, fool chana dal, because they are nice and fluffy. Add 1.5 teaspoon. In this, we're going to add some cashew nut. Now, on a slow flame, roast it for like around 3 minutes. Then we're going to put this into a blender and make it to a fine paste. This is what is going to give the substance for your gravy. Of course, we're going to add tomatoes in this, onion. You're going to see how to do that. The coconut, the dals, put in a blender. It is a little bit challenge making this poppy seed into a fine paste. Play around, have fun, make sure you get this into a paste. Now that this is a fine paste, in this add green chilli also and further blend it. These kind of curries are so popular. If you have seen that I'm not adding any of powders like jeera powder, dhania powder, chili powder, no garam masala, nothing. Whole garam masala in the tempering kind of thing. In this add oil, add bay leaf and cinnamon. This is the flavor. The fennel in the masala and the cinnamon. Nice flavor, subtle flavor. These are the curries which are best eaten with dosas, appam or any of those things. Even with rice, this is excellent. Even with kottu paratha or even roti, chapati, this is good. Now in this, add onion, salt and let this onion cook till they are slightly transparent, not brown. When the onions are slightly transparent, add turmeric, ginger garlic paste. In this, add 2 tomatoes. Let this cook for 2-3 minutes. If you want it hot, add extra green chilies in this, but this should be good enough for me. Add this paste, mix all of this. Now the chicken has to be cooked till it is nice and tender. That's going to take around 20 minutes with all this masalas together. So add the pieces of chicken, add water, let the chicken pieces drown in this curry. Bring it to a boil before you put the lid on. So bring it to a nice boil, put the lid on, let it cook for 15-20 minutes till the chicken is nice and soft and tender, and your curry will be done. When you season it in the finale, a little bit salt adjustment, that's it, nothing else. Have a perfect gravy to eat it with rice, chapati, appam, anything. Even with puri, I enjoy this. The chicken is also perfectly cooked and the gravy is also super done. See, the thing is, if you are eating chicken with appam, dosa or anything, make sure chicken is slightly overcooked. Means it has to be soft and juicy. It should just melt away in the mouth. But with the curries, you can cook it a little less. So this is all ready, perfect. I think I can enjoy it with rice as well as dosa. But let me have it with kind of thick dosa, what we call set dosa, and enjoy this kurma. Dosa for chicken should be good. Fresh, hot dosa. Loving dosa. The chicken kurma with the gravy, and also look at the pieces like this, the gravy. Friends, life is beautiful when you enjoy the good food every day. Take the crispy side of the dosa and jump in. And the chicken, which is nice, soft and perfectly cooked. The only issue is you can't stop eating. When I was a kid, I used to eat 12 to 14 dosas. Now it's come down to 6. And when you have a chicken curry like this, life is beautiful. What? The chicken, this is a country chicken with the skin on. It will just melt in your mouth. And the flavor, no masalas, nothing. Yet the flavor is wonderful. Best eaten like this. And you end up licking your fingers. You got to say, vareva. Wow.